Okay, hello and welcome to another 20p 2 credit arcade challenge brought to you by Retrotech 100. Here is my attempt at Rampage, which was a classic game back in the day. This is on my arcade, which currently has no sound because whatever the fuck I use for sound is fucked. So if anyone knows anything about arcades or sound or anything like that, let me know, because it needs to be fixed. I mean, this is essentially a PC setup in what is essentially sort of an arcade. Anyway, enough about that. Let's just get cracked on this. I haven't practiced, left it till the last minute as usual, so stick our 2 credits in and see how far we get. And I'll briefly talk about the history of this game. Not much to tell really, you know. Here we go. Press jump. Right, okay, no choice of character. We're just going for what's his face. Yeah, so there isn't much to this game, just destroy. You can eat people, which gives you, a bit more life, a few points. Try and basically, yeah, don't eat fire people. Tends to fuck you up a bit. Don't shoot signs because they electrocute you. Try not to shoot them when they've got fire. Right, second level. There we go. Yeah, so from what I could tell, this had 6 versions of this game. Some classed as sequels, some classed as remakes. You probably get it on the virtual console and all that sort of stuff. That's still going. I imagine there's a Switch version of this. Yeah. Came on everything. Master System version, very easy. Spectrum versions of this as well. Oh, look. Didn't even have to knock it down myself. Came out in 1986, I think. Could be wrong. Around about that time. As far as I can tell, this is pretty much the best version of the game. I'm a purist, so slight bias there, but they obviously ripped off. I was going to say Gorillas then. No, they weren't around. Ripped off King Kong. Maybe not the first one. I can't remember if the first one had an Empire Strikes Back type thing going on or not. Cannot remember. Okay. Ah, shit. And he fell off. Oh, there's me first life gone. Didn't even realise that I was that low on health. Haven't seen any women in buildings yet. That's just because I haven't noticed. Oh, there we go. What great timing. Now I want to eat you. Yes. That's the only time I will be eating a woman in any sense of the word. Not for the want of trying, just for the lack of availability. Anyway, we disturbingly go on after that. Lame duck of a joke. Or is it a joke? My life's a joke. Anyway. I want to eat you, little Manny. Always got to remember. Oh yeah, the screen wraps around. Forgot about that. Fucking eat you. I'm gonna eat your little fishy. I'm gonna eat your little fishy. They're not fish, but yeah. Hey. Hot chili. Day 5. Doing okay. Could be better. I want to eat you. I'm gonna eat you. Oh, there we go. That was quick. Quicker than I thought. Thus ends a challenge. Yeah, thought I was going to get further than that. Didn't. Oh well. There you go.